Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at how to use the SUMIF function within Excel. You can see here I have a bunch of numbers. I have 5 exam results and I've got a number of various exam results. The formula that we are going to be using is SUMIF, and we are going to be looking at this criteria. We are going to only sum if the numbers are greater than 40. Alright, so to do this, we start our formula off with equals sum if, open bracket. So we need two things here pretty much. We have the range, which is going to be our bunch of results, and then we have the criteria. So our criteria that we said is we want it to be larger than 40. So the range is going to be the range of cells that you need. Then press comma to get to the criteria, and the criteria in quotations is going to be greater than 40. Now the sum range, you don't really need it, so you can just close the bracket and you can press enter. Now to double check to see if the SUMIF actually worked, I'm going to do conditional formatting, and I'm going to just find out which cells are greater than 40 first. So I can see that this cell and this cell is greater than 40. If I just do another formula to add them both up together, I can see that the result is exactly the same. Anyways guys, there's not much more to it. That's SUMIF. I hope you learned something, and I will see you next time.